Hey everybody, it's me again, Gregory Mannarino, with my post-market wrap-up for today, Tuesday, November 7th, 2017. I want to talk about a bunch of things, not just what happened today in the market, and put a light on something that I'm not sure too many of you are aware of. Let's start off with the markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hit yet again another record high. The S&P 500, the NASDAQ kind of lagged behind. Now, there's a reason for that. In the video that I did earlier today, I explained to you how some cash was leaving the bond market and volatility was down. However, midday, we got a pretty significant spike with regard to volatility. We saw a little cash, a little bit, nudge its way back into the bond market. Now, why is this happening? It's getting almost no media coverage, and that's why I think people are they have no idea what's going on. But you, because you follow this blog, you have a clue. And I appreciate you. I really do. It's what's going on here in the Middle East. What's going on here in the Middle East? You might not even know about it because, again, it's getting almost no media coverage, especially on the financial channels. There's a lot of saber rattling going on with Saudi Arabia, Iran. There's a missile launch, and this rhetoric is getting louder. And it kind of rattled the markets a little bit. So you had that volatility spike, a little cash move back into the bond market. But did you also see how the stock market responded? We had pressure on stocks. Then all of a sudden, miraculously, it all gets bought up. And again, the Dow closed at a record high. This is the banks. The banks are supporting this market. Period. It's that simple. Let's talk a little bit more about these banks. How many of you know what this is? Don't be embarrassed if you don't, especially if you're a stacker. Most people have no idea what this is. The London Gold Fix. Okay, sounds like a conspiracy, right? Well, it isn't. This is basically how the major banks rig the gold market. It's common knowledge, and it's right out there for anybody to look at. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is place a link in the description of this video to Wikipedia. Wikipedia has a nice article about the London Gold Fix. The major banks are involved in clearly a conspiracy to suppress the price of gold. We all know this, but it's right now, it's in our face. And they laugh. They're laughing at us all. And this is where you come in. Because I know I'm going to get attacked by the trolls here. Oh, Greg is talking conspiracy again. There is no London Gold Fix. Really? Look it up for yourself. Again, Wikipedia has a nice article on the London Gold Fix. So you can understand that these banks will not allow, or they're going to use every power that they can to keep the price of gold suppressed, not allowing the free market to determine fair value. They're determining the value. And that goes back to what we saw on Friday with that smackdown. So, when you're done with this video, or right now, come back to this video, click on that link, and it will take you to that nice article that Wikipedia has written about the London Gold Fix. Do me a favor. Maybe collectively, there's tens of thousands of people that follow my work here. So let's together get it out there. Let's make it public. Let's get this out there that there is such a thing as the London Gold Fix. It's real. And the banks are deliberately manipulating the price of gold. They're fixing it. Let's do that together, okay? I want to talk about Bitcoin real quick. All of you out here know that I am a major advocate of Bitcoin. I've gotten a lot of people are unhappy about that. But look, I'm a businessman. If there's opportunity, that's where it is. I've been buying this for quite a while now. I have a nice holding of Bitcoin. However, today, I closed half of my position on Bitcoin. I locked in a substantial, in fact, a more than substantial profit here. I am still holding the other half of Bitcoin. Why did Greg do this? Because I have a really nice profit in here, and I'm thinking of taking some of that cash and reallocating it into other things. I'm always moving cash around. It's what I do. I still believe sincerely that Bitcoin is going to 10 grand and probably higher now. If Bitcoin pulls back, and I am not saying that it is going to, I hope Bitcoin pulls back. If it does, I will go in there and I will buy some more of this. But I just wanted to disclose that I have closed half of my position on Bitcoin right now. I am still a major bull with regard to Bitcoin, and I still have a substantial position in Bitcoin. I just wanted to close half of it, pull out that cash, and I'm going to reallocate that for a little while, and then I'm going to reallocate back into Bitcoin if and when we get a pullback here. So I just want to talk about that. Bitcoin seems unstoppable as well. It's over 7 grand. I think we hit 7,500 a couple of days ago last week. I wish it would pull back. I really do, because I know it's going higher here. A lot of you have been asking me about the futures market with regard to Bitcoin. Let's talk about that. Well, the banks want to rig that too. There's no doubt about it. And we're going to see how that plays out moving forward. So they're going to do whatever they have to do to try to rig it, just like the London gold fix. These banks are rigging everything. The entire market is rigged. They're buying every dip that comes along, just like today. You saw what happened today. And believe me, politics is playing into this. President Trump is using the stock market as a pawn. And he keeps touting how we're hitting record high. So he's also involved making sure the market continues higher. If any of you don't believe that, you are definitely deluded. It's very obvious to me. It should be to you too. Nothing is real and nothing is what it seems right now, especially this. So I'm going to let you all go right now. I want you to take a minute, click on that link to Wikipedia, understand what this is. Share it. Get it out there. Let's make it public. Let's let people know that these markets are fake, especially when it comes to gold. All right, with that said, I'll see all of you tomorrow. We're going to have more fun talking about all this crazy stuff. See you later.